Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be discussing how to use comments in CSS to make your code more readable and easier to maintain. Following along from previous videos, you should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. If not, pause the video and take a moment to add it to your index.html file. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code used in this video, so you can also refer to the code there as well. Open Live Server if you don't already have it open. Now over in the styles.css file, let's add a couple of comments. First, we'll add a comment above the CSS. This is a comment in CSS. This is where I'd usually add a comment about a section of CSS code. Like for instance, if this section was going to be used to style the navigation bar. Next, I'll add a comment inside the CSS block to describe what the code is meant to do. Then I'll use the comment syntax to comment out a piece of code to make it inactive. So once you save, at this point you should see that the H1 header is no longer blue. Finally, I'm going to add some CSS to change that heading to red. Save, and you should now see the heading turn red. And that's how you use comments in CSS. By adding comments to your CSS code, you can make it easier for yourself and others to understand your code and its purpose. It's always a good practice to add comments, especially if you're working on a large project with lots of styles. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.